Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. And oh my goodness, how about this volatility lately? And the Omni has been right in tune with all of it. It has just been amazing, the Omni Arrow. So, this video is coming at you on a Tuesday night for trading Wednesday. That is the 9th day of April, 2025. It's a Wednesday. Please remember how risky trading is. Risky, risky, risky. Put your stops in first. Let me explain how risky trading can be. The Omni, no matter what happened on Monday, the Omni said, Oscar, tell your Omniacs to stay short and go short. All right, so that's what we did. We sold NASDAQ this morning, and we put our stop in, and NASDAQ went all the way up, hit our stop, turned around, and dropped 1,000 points. And we got stopped out first with a loss. The Omni was right. The trade was right. The stop I chose was a little premature. Market did exactly what the Omni said it was going to do, but we got stopped out first. My apologies, kids. We won't let that happen again tonight. So, you're looking at the ES weekly bar chart. If you remember, we had this sitting right here, and I said, traders, please stay calm. Why? Because Wall Street support is on the way. They will buy it when it drops down into this circle area. And that was the video I left you with, and this is what happened since. They bought it right in that area and took it up 500 points. Right in our area. So what's happening now? The market ran up 500 points. What you're getting now is a retest of the support. What should happen is we're going to get into this area again, likely get through it. Let me make that bar red. Likely get through it. And because this is a weekly chart, we'll then have to wait a little bit and see. The likelihood is, though, the legs will start forming here and eventually back up will go. Why? Well, you saw that there was nothing here at all except for these lines. These bars didn't exist yet. We had these trend lines waiting here and these massive big gun averages. The market dropped all the way into our area, stopped cold, and went up 500 points. That tells us we're not incorrect about this being a good support zone. Wall Street came in and bought it. How about that call, kids? Was that not incredible? I know Sunday night into Monday, everyone thought the big crash was coming on Monday, and I came out on Sunday night with the video on this chart and said, no, no, no. According to analysis, not your personality, not the street, what they're thinking. That's not what we care about because they're thinking politically right now. What do the charts from Wall Street say is what we spoke about on Sunday. They said exactly what would happen. We bounced off this level 500 points. Now we are going to test the level again and take my word for it. If it holds in here somewhere, can go through. But if in the end, and remember it's a weekly chart, not a daily, if in the end we end up back in this zone, then we will end up going back up. So don't panic out of this thing yet, people. What else is out there? Let's go look at another chart. Let's see. Chart number 4, I think, had something interesting. Yes, it did. The NASDAQ, remember, stay calm and focused. Support is not far away. And if you recall, I told you I came up with this target on 11/30/2024, showed it to my Omniacs in my live trading room, but then decided that we wouldn't actually tell the public about it. Why? Well, because it wasn't in play. This bar didn't exist. This bar didn't exist. This bar didn't exist. Why would I scare everybody, right? What else happens? What was amazing is this. Watch this. Let me just show you something that happened here. So I drum up this target, and I said, God forbid this ever happens, by 4/7, we should drop down to 15.83 to 15.85. And this is what happened. I mean, oh my goodness. Talk about analysis on 11/30 coming to fruition, right, almost right to the day we expected it. But watch this. Then I threw this average on, which has nothing to do with the Omni, and look where it comes in. Then you go back. It held last time it was here. It held last time. It held the time before. It held times I can't even show you on this chart. It held so many times. Now we're going to test it. I think we're literally going to get into the testing zone, and market will find its legs down here because Wall Street is watching. So we are going to head down. We are heading down. Make sure you understand that. We're heading down to test the support. But once that's done, it could very well gain its legs. That's what we're expecting. We'll take this one day at a time. What else is out there that's very interesting? Oh, yeah, look at this. Traders, Remember the crude oil trade? We were trading around 77 to 78. It was in January. I called it the Trump trade, just kidding around. It was a technical analysis call. We would drop to 55, then ultimately 47.50. Posted this video and these targets when we were up here. Now you've got people on TV going, hey, guess what? We've got analysis that states we could drop to the 50s, maybe the 40s. Yeah, where were you people a month ago? Where were you people 2 months, 3 months ago when I put this out? Check this out. Here's what happened so far. Look at what happened. Oh my God, is that not fantastic? We got all the way down to 57 so far. 55 is a day away. Now, that is fantastic analysis. Nobody can call a chart like the Omni can, and it has worked. And I promise you, just because we got stopped out on Tuesday doesn't mean they're going to do that to us on Wednesday. We're going to get in these trades. We're going to do just fine. I chose a bad stop. My apologies, kids, on the NASDAQ. Head down, nose to the grindstone. Let's kick this market's ass on Wednesday. Anyhow, crude oil is still in play, still wants to go lower, still can be shorted, is going to head down at least to 55, then 47.5. How's that for technical analysis, kids? Huh? How's that? They're on TV now calling for it. Really? Where were you cats when it mattered? Anyhow, just wanted to show that to you. Please don't panic out of the stock market yet. If we get through those nasty levels and stay under, we'll reassess and do more analysis. Till then, expect that to be the holding area. Don't panic just yet. Thank you for tuning in. Oh, by the way, with this chart, just wanted to show you after we made the call and it started to work, then I produced a video that said, it's knock-knock time, kids. This is the time it should break, and this is the bar that we got the very next day after my video. It was exact, right on the money. Knock-knock took place, and so far we're doing fantastic. Traders, I just want to remind you of something. Have those stops in first, and remember this. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Traders, rock and roll. Join me at livewithoscar.com. Join me in my free live trading room. I'm here every day and night on camera usually, and we'll get through these rough and tumble markets together. I hope to see you in my live trading room. No credit cards are even required. All you got to do is fill out a couple of, username, password, wait for an email to show up. It'll go to spam. Look in your spam, send it back. You'll be in this chat room with me at livewithoscar.com in minutes. Make sure you show up. I hope to see you there. Thank you, traders.